Hi, I'm dear friends. This is Filmora, and let's see how to set up the aspect ratio of the project in Filmora. So, from the very beginning, usually the ratio is 16:9. But if you want to change it, you have to go to File, Project Settings, and here you see the aspect ratio, and you can choose another one from the list, or you can choose Custom. And then you see the last chosen resolution, and you can just change it like that by sliding those areas, or to type by yourself something like that. That's it. Now everything you will do will have chosen aspect resolution, and you can change it, by the way, this way. Click on this screen icon and change project aspect ratio. You can see which is now, and you can change it as you want. That's it. Thank you.